the stock was at 192, and it has had a run over the past couple of days up to $223 a share, and just over the past couple, uh, you know, over the past hour or so, it's pulled back from 223 a share down to 219. So this is a meaningful pullback, but this is the first real pullback that it's had, in the past couple of days. Every pullback that it's had has been bought, and I think this pullback can also be bought, but I want to see it start to get bought first, and just keep an eye on it to see what happens. I have no clue what's going to happen, but and it makes sense that a stock like Nvidia right now, when it's having this nice run higher over the past couple of days, has a pullback. But I want to see like some buyers start to step in, and then I'll put on a new trade. Let's take a look at bigger picture, longer time frame chart in Nvidia, and as you can see here, it's having a very nice run from this 1 April, and tried to break out to the upside, traded up to $236 a share in early May. It really had, made a decent effort to have a clean breakout, but that did not happen. The stock is pulled back inside of its previous range here, below 211 to 215 area here, and then back and forth, tested the lower Bollinger Bands, and now is making another attempt to make a run to the upside. And I think that this is some good tape action, and I think that it can continue to go higher. So I'm really hoping that as I speak, it has an intraday pullback that I just showed you. I'm really, really hoping that it gets bought. Having an intraday pullback is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But so, seeing a pullback like this down to like 219 or so is very healthy and fine. I want it to get bought. And so I'm really hoping that it gets bought here as I'm watching the video here. And as you can see here, you look at the weekly chart here, going back over the last couple of years, and the failed breakout is very clear on the weekly chart. And it pulled back to the 20-week moving average, and now it's trying to make another attempt, another run back towards its previous high. And I think that is where we are in the big grand scheme of things. I think that Nvidia is trying to make this run up and retest these previous swing highs that it had, or not just swing highs, but all-time highs that it had at $236 a share. So I think for the short term, $236 a share is a reasonable upside target for Nvidia to achieve as it goes into earnings. It's having earnings in a couple weeks, as Nvidia is at the end of earnings season. So in previous earnings cycles over the past year or two, Nvidia has run up into earnings and then sells off, and that's what we've been getting. That's what you get, this run up into earnings and a sell off, run up into earnings and a sell off, a run up into earnings and a sell off, and that's what we're doing right now. We're running up into earnings. Do we have a sell off, or do we have some type of clean breakout to the upside, and see what happens from there?